Picture this. You're sitting in a cozy coffee shop with a friend. He smiles warmly, looks you straight in the eye and says, "Trust me, I only want what's best for you." And you believe him. But a few days later the truth comes out. He lied. He manipulated you. And the decision you made because of him? It ended up hurting you, not helping you. So here's the million-dollar question. Why do we, intelligent as we are, get deceived so easily? In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most shadowy and slippery corners of the human mind. The sneaky psychology of being deceived. What to watch for? You're about to hear real-life stories, groundbreaking psychological experiments, and the hidden tricks people use every single day. Sometimes in relationships, sometimes at work, and sometimes in the digital world. Most importantly, you'll learn how to spot deception before it traps you. So if you're ready, let's take a journey into the maze of the human mind. Chapter 1. The Science of Deception. Let's start with a basic question. What is deception, really? Deception is one of humanity's oldest survival strategies. From the battlefield to casual conversations, humans have always searched for ways to outsmart and manipulate one another. Psychologists often say, deception isn't just about lying. It's about controlling perception. In other words, lying is only one part of it. The real power lies in shaping what the other person believes to be true. Brain shortcuts, cognitive biases. Here's the deal. Your brain is overloaded. Every day it processes thousands of signals. But analyzing each one in detail? Impossible. So your brain takes shortcuts, what psychologists call cognitive biases. For example, if someone looks confident, we tend to assume they're telling the truth, even when they're not. If someone's statement matches our existing beliefs, we accept it instantly, no matter how shaky the evidence is. This is called confirmation bias. And here's the sneaky part. Manipulators know how to push these buttons. They don't just tell lies. They tell the kind of lies your brain wants to believe. Famous experiments. Let's look at two classic experiments that reveal just how fragile our defenses can be. 1. The Asch conformity experiment, 1950s. Participants were asked a ridiculously simple question. Which of these three lines is the longest? The answer was obvious. But when actors in the group deliberately gave the wrong answer, 75% of the real participants went along with them, denying the truth their own eyes could see. Lesson: our need to fit in is so strong, it can override logic and reality. 2. The Milgram obedience experiment, 1960s. In another study, participants believed they were delivering electric shocks to a student every time he gave the wrong answer. The shocks weren't real, but the participants didn't know that. Under the pressure of an authority figure in a lab coat, many of them kept shocking the student up to 450 volts, what would have been a lethal level. Lesson: authority isn't just influence. It's a weapon of manipulation. Real-life example. Think about professional con artists. They use these same principles in real life. They present themselves as authorities, a doctor, a lawyer, a government official. They spin stories that align with your beliefs or fears. And before you know it, you've handed over money, secrets, or trust. Why do we fall for it? Here's the paradox. Our brains are designed to trust first, doubt second. If we question everything, life would become unbearable. Trust is a survival tool, it helps societies function. But the same mechanism that keeps society together can also tear individuals apart. As one Stanford researcher put it, without trust, societies collapse. With too much trust, individuals collapse. Deception as performance. Think of deception as theater. A manipulator is an actor. Their tone of voice, body language, and storytelling. It's all part of a carefully staged performance. And we, often without realizing it, become their audience. Take phone scams, for example. You get a call. Sir, there's been fraudulent activity on your bank account. Please share your OTP immediately. Notice what happens here. The urgency, the serious tone, the official-sounding language. It's a performance designed to press your brain's trust button. The hidden psychology. Every act of deception contains three ingredients. Intention. The deceiver has a hidden goal. Concealment. They hide the truth. Exploitation. They take advantage of your trust, emotions, or lack of knowledge. When all three align, deception becomes nearly invisible, until it's too late. Transition to next chapter. Now we understand the science of deception. But here's a big question. Are all lies dangerous? Or are some lies harmless, maybe even helpful? In the next chapter, we'll explore everyday lies versus dangerous lies, and discover how even a simple white lie can sometimes change the course of someone's life.